tornado came across there. This is one of the front lakes. Straight through there, so the whole back side of the farm and all the trees are down. You can see over there further it came across my uncle's and knocked the whole 2 back rows of perimeter fencing down in the lake pasture. We have fencing is just destroyed. There's no fencing. These whole back bars of fencing are just carved down cedar trees and ruined. It's just acres and acres of like trees and just charred, twisted trees. It's all ruined. The guys worked all day yesterday to try to start getting the drive cleared, and they've got maybe an eighth of it cleared. And then our cousins fixed the fence line here to keep the horses in this pasture, so the horses can't get out at least. And we have the cows secured in the upper pasture, but it's all gone. It was like such a paradise. All gone. So this is still coming down the drive here. There's still like 20 large trees on that side. Trees here. So this is the only part of the drive that's been cleared, and it was just a smaller, it was like smaller. 1, 2, 3. I think about 6 large pines. There's part of one there, and then part of these. So these have all got to be put somewhere to be burned. My poor peaches, my orchard here is pretty much gone. You can see that. But this is like the other parts of the drive, and it's still totally, like there's got to be like 20 trees there. And this is the drive. I mean, the guys worked all day yesterday from sun up until sundown, and they got maybe an eighth of the drive cleared. It's there. They're putting it out in piles in the pasture, the lake pasture, to try to burn it. All of these fences are down, so this is all gonna have to be replaced. So they got working all day yesterday, maybe an eighth of this drive done. So it's crazy because it was totally canopied on both sides, and the trees are just covering it. Like it's all, there's a crew with chainsaws, bulldozers, Takahushi. It's just this all the way up the drive, the mangled canopy. So this is gonna take the working today until noon. The other crew we tried to get in here to help, the insurance tried to get in here to help, couldn't get their equipment down the tracks because of the trains that are blown over. So this is gonna take literally weeks to get the drive back open, so cars can get in and out. It's just totally mangled, trees after trees after trees on this fence line up for a mile. And this is the main drive. This is actually the only drive to the house to get out. So it's, yesterday they worked and they got an eighth. So that would be a second eighth. That would be, we're looking at weeks. So, just to get a car out of the driveway, not even to start looking at the fencing for all of the animals. So, well, you get the picture. So it just came across and wiped it all out. Luckily,